In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your profile picture on Notion step by step using the latest Notion interface in 2026. This is perfect if you want to personalize your workspace, update your branding, or just replace an old profile image. The process is super quick, but if you're new to Notion or haven't explored the settings before, stick with me and I'll walk you through everything clearly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on desktop or web. Once you're inside your workspace, look toward the top corner of the screen where you'll see a small arrow next to your workspace name or profile area. This arrow opens up your main account menu. Go ahead and click on that arrow to reveal the drop-down options. From this menu, you'll see several different choices related to your account and workspace. Next, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel where Notion lets you control your account preferences, workspace details, and appearance options. Once the settings window opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to click on General. The General section contains your basic account information, including your name, email address, and your profile picture. Now, inside the General settings, locate your current profile icon. This might be a photo, an initial, or a default placeholder image. Click directly on that icon. When you click it, Notion will open up the profile image options. At this point, you'll see a plus icon on or near the profile image area. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. This gives you the option to add a new image to use as your profile picture. From the menu that appears, click on Upload an image. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to choose any image you want from your device. Select the image you'd like to use as your new profile picture. For best results, choose a clear, square image so it looks good across all of Notion. After selecting your image, Notion will preview it in the profile icon area. If everything looks good and you're happy with how it appears, go ahead and click on Save. Once you hit Save, your new profile picture will be applied instantly across your Notion account. That's it, you've successfully changed your profile picture on Notion. Your updated image will now appear anywhere your profile is visible, including shared pages, comments, and team workspaces. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Notion tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.